Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Zilliqa latest news and latest update friends. Before starting this interesting video, I request all of my viewers, especially Zilliqa coin holders, that please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and updates videos. ABS Tech channel update you every time from a new cryptocurrencies news, which is very important for all of you. That is why I'm telling you to subscribe ABS Tech channel friends. Anyways, let's move on and let's start the video friends. So the latest price of the Zilliqa in the market at this time is 0.182239 USD dollar is the current price of the Zilliqa. And on the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the Zilliqa, so absolutely the price changes goes better. The last 1 day, last 1 week changes as positive, except of the last 1 week. Only the last 1 week price changes occur in the Zilliqa as negative friends. Why the price is occur in the last 1 week as negative and why the price after Zilliqa the last 1 hour, last 1 day price is positive? Let's see the price chart for more details friends. Wow, today I'm very happy and I'm feeling very good about Zilliqa coin because when I look this kind of jump occur in the Zilliqa, so absolutely it's time to happiness, it's time to celebrate Zilliqa coin holder friends. Anyways, if you look the price changes occur in the Zilliqa coin in the previous time, so I know as I told you in my previous videos that the Zilliqa coin is now currently fast down, but I hope with the passage of time they again start jumping, so same like that occurs at this time. As you can see here, they fast down after this fall, now this time there is a jumping time, so that is why I telling you to hold. The big pump of the Zilliqa are coming soon. Now at this time again I'm telling you that please hold Zilliqa, that is just a beginning jump after Zilliqa. The big jump, the big pump after Zilliqa are coming soon. Wait for it my friends. Anyways, if you the price is occur in this Zilliqa, the latest price is as 3.82% positive and the highest price is 0.182239 USD dollar is the highest price of the Zilliqa friends. Especially at this time, a lot of people decide to invest in the Zilliqa coin and they want profit from the Zilliqa coin because they know about the future of the Zilliqa coin. That is why a lot of people invest in the Zilliqa. And on the basis of technical analysis, I'm telling you that the big jump of the Zilliqa are coming soon and this month. So keep watch ABS Tech channel for more this kind of ABS Tech channel latest news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.